What's up, everybody? Cass, Street Beast. So today I had to do a starter on my wife's Dodge Dart. I looked all over the internet, everything. I couldn't figure out. They had a couple videos that gave me an idea where the bolt was, but it was kind of a nightmare. So I'm gonna make a little video and maybe I can get some views. All right, so I know you can't see it, but down in there you had to go underneath everything. See, if you can see my finger, to get that bolt because it's on the inside. I literally had to take the computer out, the battery out, the throttle body out, everything. And I broke this little hose right here when I was doing it, so I had to go find a new hose piece. And then underneath there's one more bolt that goes in. All right, everybody, so today I had to take out my wife's starter on the Dodge Dart, and it's kind of a bitch. As you can see, that top bolt up there comes from the inside, so you have to take a lot of stuff up on the top off. I looked at a lot of videos on how to take this out and I couldn't find anything, so I'm gonna give a little information on how to put it in there. They said you had to disconnect these bolts here. All that's bullshit. You just got to take it out and twist it out. But the top is where the problem is, so I'll get back to you in a minute and show you the top. I'm doing this because there's no videos on the internet for this. Everything else, also, there's little hose clamps all the way up there on that intake that keep the wire, this wire, the starter wire, tied up in there to where you can't pull it down. You just pop them off. There's those two holes right there. You can see them facing us. There's little push pins. So this is the bottom. I'll show you the top once I get ready.